In today's video, I'm going to teach you enter formulas without typing. If you want to work faster in Google Sheets and avoid manually typing formulas every time, this is a very useful feature to know. It helps you insert common calculations quickly and also makes it easier to use Google Sheets built-in suggestions when it recognizes a pattern in your data. This can save time, reduce mistakes, and make your spreadsheet workflow feel much smoother. To begin, highlight the range of cells containing your data. Make sure you select the numbers or values you want Google Sheets to work with. This is important because Sheets uses your selection to understand what kind of formula you may want to apply and where that formula should go. If your data is arranged cleanly in a row or column, the automatic options usually work very well. Once your data is selected, go to the far right of the top toolbar and click the Functions icon, which looks like the Greek sigma symbol. This menu gives you quick access to commonly used formulas without needing to type them out manually. It's especially helpful if you are not fully comfortable remembering formula names or syntax. From the drop-down list, select the formula you want to use, such as sum. After you click it, Google Sheets will automatically insert the formula below or beside your selected data range. Depending on how your data is arranged, this gives you a fast way to calculate totals or other common results with just a couple of clicks. Before moving on, it's always a good idea to glance at the inserted formula to make sure it's referencing the correct cells. You can also take advantage of Google Sheets' smart suggestions. Start typing a pattern or label in an adjacent column. As you do this, Sheets may detect what you are trying to enter based on the surrounding data. When that happens, look for a grayed out preview text box that shows a suggested formula or value. This preview is Google Sheets' way of offering to complete the pattern for you automatically. If the suggestion looks correct, press Tab or click the check mark to accept it. This is a great shortcut when filling down repeated values. Continuing labels, or letting Sheets predict a formula based on the structure of your spreadsheet. It's a simple feature, but it can make repetitive tasks much faster and more accurate. That's how to enter formulas without typing in Google Sheets. Practice it a few times and it'll quickly become part of your normal workflow. Thanks for watching.